10 o'clock when I got this stuff. I can't believe, I don't know if the yard sale was poorly advertised or they didn't get it on treasure map and Facebook until like late in the morning.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to
hit some garage sales. Hey guys, surprise, we did go to garage sales today, but we don't have no footage. What happened was I had an appointment at 9:30. Wasn't a lot listed, so I was like, I'm just gonna take the day off, right? Get my appointment done. I'm like, I'll just go to one sale. Then we went to like 3 and filled the whole car up. So the first thing I picked up is down in my dad's cabin, but I shot a little clip down there. So here's what we picked up there. Hey guys, I wanted to show you a pickup that I got today at the first sale. It was one of these old knights in shining armor. It was only 10 bucks, man. I had to get it.
Oh, yeah.
Man, ain't you spiffy. And on the way down, I got this from my dad. He's gonna keep it at this cabin or take it home, I don't know. But we got all these clothes, high-end clothes that were on racks on the way down here.
Oh, yeah.
And it said free. There's Brooks Brothers, Saks Fifth Avenue stuff,
Right on.
and a lot of it's vintage.
School Monday.
So just thought I'd show this pickup, and we will show you all that cool action figures and stuff I got right now. Say bye. All right, that was pretty cool, right? I couldn't leave that for, I think it came out to 9 bucks, but my dad was happy with it. I know he was. Like I said, he's got a 7-foot one at his house, so I guess that'll be the new cabin mascot. All right, man. I'll show you the first stuff we grabbed at the yard sale. Like I said, this stuff ain't exciting. It's makeup, but it's tons of money. And don't worry, we got cool stuff coming. So I walk up, I started grabbing a bunch of action figures, but then I seen this tote of makeup. It's all Lancome. It looks like, you know, gifts or something. But some of this stuff's expensive. This is a bunch of like creams for your face and rejuvenation stuff, I guess. I don't know. But anyways, there's a whole tote of it here. Tons of it. Just, I don't know whether to sell them by the pack or take them all out of the pack. So let me know down in the comments what you guys would do. So I paid $30 for the first one.
And there's another two.
And then she had all this stuff right here. Some of these I can't sell. They'll have to be in the garbage. They've been messed with. But I think these are like 40 to 50 bucks, and there's 4 of those, so that's 200 bucks. This is pretty much new, and that's worth a good amount. But like I said, I have to go through these. Some of them is gonna be in the garbage. My wife took some, which is cool. She always loves when I bring home stuff like this. Like, whose wife wouldn't? So all right guys, let's get into the funner part of this haul. Like I said, it was at least 10 o'clock when I got this stuff. I can't believe, I don't know if the yard sale was poorly advertised or they didn't get it on treasure map and Facebook until like late in the morning. But there was another reseller there, then another one came while I was buying my second load of stuff. But I did pretty good. Like I said, some of the stuff isn't crazy valuable, but it's just cool stuff to find, and I got it dirt cheap. So I'd say for all the action figure stuff, I paid 30 bucks. So first up, we got this little bag of Snoopy Figures. Not sure if they're worth anything or what year they're from, but like I said, this stuff was dirt cheap. Got a little bag of Nintendo figures. Got a silver Mario in there, Yoshi, Donkey Kong, Peach. That was $1. Like, got these Marvel figures. We got Captain America and Iron Man and stuff, and they all break apart, so you can switch like their bodies and stuff, which is pretty cool. We got another Spider-Man. I wanted to look this one up, this Spider-Man with the 6 arms, and I wanted to show you guys how to do that in case you didn't know. This has saved me big time in my reselling game. If you don't have it already in your Google bar, there's an app called Google Lens. You want to get Google Lens, and then all you got to do is point it at the figure See that white, yellow, or the white circle that popped up? And you hit that. Searching for results. And this is the Marvel Legends series Spider-Man doppelganger. So at least you know what it is. And then you can look it up on eBay, so what it's worth. Sometimes there'll be already an eBay link, or you can get a price just from seeing the pictures. But yeah, guys, that has saved me big time with some action figures. 'Cause there's tons of action figures, I don't know what they are. So we got some Disney Affinity Avengers. Don't know if any of them are valuable or not, but we got 3, 4, 6, about 10, 11, 12 of those. Not sure what this guy is. Or this one. That looks cheapy. It don't really say nothing. We got a Derek Jeter bobblehead. That was like $1. That's probably about 40 bucks. Got a huge Bowser. This is a Stay Puft by Playmobil, which I didn't have, so that's kind of cool. I'll add that to my little collection. This is some Godzilla stuff, which was crazy. This was still there. This is Caesar. We got, this is Mecha King. Is that what that is? I think this one was from '98. Might be about 25 bucks. And then look at all the Godzilla stuff. So these miniature Godzilla figures, all these were in one little bag for $1. All these little Godzilla figures. There's 5. There's like 20 of them. Ain't that crazy? And this is a newer Godzilla from the movie. This one is missing a tail. Look at this one. 75 cents. And this is a NECA one. Can't remember the name of this one, but 75 cents. Crazy. We got this, I think it's like an angelfish or something. It's Toys R Us. There's a lot of that stuff, Toys R Us dinosaurs and stuff. But that's pretty cool looking. This is a Dragon Ball Z Funko Pop thing. That was $1. Got this huge alien. It's cool, but I don't think it's really worth much. That was $2. But like I said, I paid $30 for all the rest of this stuff. So the makeup, I was $80 all in. Not sure who this is made by, but it makes a Godzilla noise. I think it's just a generic toy. So I don't see no markings on it. This is another like little Godzilla bust thing. It's pretty cool. We got 2 of these nano blocks. I don't know where the other one is at the moment. And then we got, this is the Indominus Rex from Jurassic World. There was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Jurassic Park or Jurassic World figures I found. Could have been maybe some more if I missed them, but I went through all the bags that were there. I wish I would have had this sale on film, guys. I apologize, but like I said, it was a surprise. But most people like just seeing what you got anyways. This big guy right here, this is from Disney's Dino Land. I looked this up and this goes for about 50 bucks. Hopefully it would squish into a decent sized box. I think it would. Then we got 2 more of these newer Godzilla figures, which are cool. This bobblehead, right? It says $1 on it. This guy was trying to get her down to 50 cents, and when she wouldn't take it, he said, "Hey, do you want this?" I said, "Sure." It's from Kings Island, Charlie Brown bobblehead. It's actually not worth a whole lot of money, but for $1, come on. Come on, dude. You can't afford $1. Some of them old guys are like that, man. They're just from back in the day. They want stuff for $0.25, 50 cents. So I've seen it a lot. We got like a kind of a leopard print pair of Crocs, really good condition. They were $1. And then we got a whole nother tote of dinosaurs. There's a lot of them in here that are from like Toys R Us, you know, and then they had that little section in Toys R Us where you can buy stuff like this. So yeah, it says Toys R Us. Not sure if any of these are valuable. I'm gonna look them up. If not, these are nice. It's kind of cool. What's you from? 2014. Toys R Us. See, a lot of them are those, so probably just lot them up and maybe sell them on Facebook Marketplace. But yeah, guys, I was pretty impressed finding all this stuff at 10 o'clock. I think the makeup should do really good. Some of this stuff isn't that crazy valuable here, but we're definitely going to add some Jurassic Park stuff to the collection. Probably give Mikey this Bowser, just don't tell him. Could keep him. I don't know. If any of this stuff Mikey wants, he can have. I don't know why people make comments like Mikey gets nothing. You don't know the amount of stuff this kid has from yard sales. Trust me. But anyways, guys, for not wanting to go to garage sales, to turning the day into that in an hour, I'll take it any day. So thanks for watching. Peace out.